Laziness is one thing that can hinder you or anyone, even myself, from success. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to stop being lazy and get your life back as a girl. Like, if you want to unfuck your life, you have to do these things. I'm going to tell you from my personal experience. You might have had people that are telling you about these things. Like, everything I'm going to talk about is something I have basically experienced. Like, I've experienced it even up till recently. It has been there. So I'm telling you how I am navigating out of it. And I must tell you that if you don't do these things I'm about to say, I'm sorry, girl, you'll be stuck wherever you are. Anyway guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Vicky. For those of you who are seeing me for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that you will always be informed whenever I post a new video. Join the family, let's grow a community together. So the number one thing I'll have to tell you on how to stop being lazy is wake up early. Hey, you guys, I don't even want to, I cannot even explain so much to you guys how much waking up early can do in your life. Okay, as a mom, I definitely wake up early, but in my own case, I wake up early after sending my children to school. As a mom who is not a 9-to-5er, all I do is maybe around 8:30, after doing the little house chores that are there, around 8:30, 9 a.m, I go to sleep, and I'm waking up about 12 p.m, 1 p.m, for what exactly? So I realized that one thing that I have to do is immediately I send my children to school. Like, that is the routine I've done now. Immediately I send my children to school, I just arrange the house, put the house in order, do the little things I have to do. I quickly take my bath. Like, I take my bath and I'm looking for where to go to. Like, for some time now, I just come to sit in this park, make videos for you guys, trying to make my day as productive as possible, because I know for a fact that for the longest time I have been feeling lazy. I don't do anything. I just go about just thinking, what do I do, and I end up not doing anything, even when I realize that I've figured out what I need to do, but I kept feeling lazy. So waking up early is one of those things you have to do to beat that laziness syndrome that you have in you. Like, I'm telling you the truth, just set your alarm clock. For those of you who don't have children, who are young girls, or who are not married yet, and you don't have a 9-to-5 that will either force you to wake up early, all you need to do is set an alarm. 7 a.m. you should be up from your bed. Look for what to do. Like, leave your bed, leave your room, leave your comfort zone completely, and just get your life started. So number one thing is waking up early. When you wake up early, lay your bed and do what you have to do. Trust me, you're on your way to stop being lazy. And the next thing I do after waking up, maybe after the normal routine family prayer that we do in the morning, girl, the next thing you need to do is pray. The devil is not joking with your future, and one of the things he uses to hold us down is laziness. You have to pray. Pray for God to remove the spirit of procrastination from your body. Pray for God to remove every spirit of laziness, because it's a life or death situation, and the devil is after your success, therefore putting that embargo of laziness upon you so that you won't get up to get anything meaningful to do with your life. Just pray. Pray for yourself. Pray for direction if need be. If you don't have direction on what to do or how to go about it, I'm telling you, for personal experience, I took my prayer life seriously. Like, yeah, I'm a Christian and blah 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 and all that, but to be really honest with you, the fact that I am getting out of this lazy girl mode, I started praying. I got closer to God. I pray often. I read my Bible often. Like, I don't joke with my prayer life, because I know that for me to be lazy, or for me to feel lazy, or for me to feel unmotivated, that's the word, for me to feel unmotivated, it therefore means there is something big ahead of me, and the devil is just putting that spirit of unmotivation, spirit of laziness, spirit of, just being lackadaisical, you get, inside of me. Therefore, I have to fight it, and the only way you can fight the enemy is with prayers. Girl, pray about it. Pray about that situation. As you wake up from sleep, as you wake up early, go on your knees and start praying. So you wake up early after prayers, you can just go dress up, go to the gym, or dress up and do whatever it is profitable for you. But what I'm trying to say in this particular point is, please do not take your prayer life for granted. Do not joke with it. I'm telling you, I'm not capping. I'm telling you from my personal experience, because I've been so laid back. Immediately we do our morning prayer, I just feel like I've prayed for the day, and I realized that the routine has been from back to back. You can see it from my YouTube channel, because I hardly post videos, even though I have some content block or something like that. The times contents come to my head, I just keep lazing about. I find it very difficult to get up and film a video, get up and do something productive with my life. But immediately I started praying about it. I put it into God's hand. I said, God, please come through for me. Please remove the spirit of laziness from me. Remove the spirit of motivation from my body. I casted, I binded it. Yes, it is very important. It is no joke. The enemy is after your life. Do not joke with it, because he is not joking with coming after your destiny. He is not joking about it. So do not joke with the devil. And this brings me to my next point. Don't do social media immediately you wake up. Haha, I am the queen of this thing I am telling you guys about too. So this is just the personal things I did that I have seen improvements in. Do not do social media until you are done with everything you want to do, because you want to take social media for a joke. See, the devil is roaming around looking for people to distract. You get? Haven't you noticed that when you wake up, you'll be like, oh, let me just check. Immediately you turn on your data if you used to off your data, or immediately you wake up, you check your notifications, you're reading, you scroll. The next thing is 1 hour past when you woke up. You've not gotten anything done, and then the next thing, you're on different social media. You run from Instagram to TikTok to Facebook. You just keep going from one social media platform to the other, wasting your life. My dear, do not let Instagram, do not let social media control your life. Take charge of your life. Don't do social media immediately you wake up. Make sure you get things done. Make sure whatever things you have set, whatever goals you have set for that day or for that morning, you've actualized it before checking your social media, because it's addictive. You have to take control of that addiction. It's not easy. Personally, I deleted Instagram, I deleted Facebook, I deleted TikTok from my phone, because these are the 3 social media platforms that I know that has been seriously distracting me. Like in my previous video that I told you, I deleted these platforms. Like I said, it's only YouTube I have, and that's because YouTube is what I am using now as business. So I want to be consistent in it. So I decided not to, delete YouTube. And I don't go on YouTube watching people's life, watching what people did, watching this, watching that. I control my social media consumption. When I got to this point, how I got to the realization that I'm wasting my life on social media was when I went to the back end of my phone to check how many hours I spent on these platforms. I spend like 5 hours on Instagram in a day. I spend like 2 hours on Facebook in a day, and I spend maybe like 1 hour on TikTok. Some days TikTok is higher than Instagram, some days, but most of the time I spend more of my time on Instagram. And I'm like, what? That's the day I just woke up one early morning, say about 3 a.m., 10 minutes past 3 a.m., and the Spirit of the Lord just told me that, Omo, get rid of these things. That was the night I checked my back end. I said, let me just check. I checked it, and after finding out that that is in 24 hours of the day, calculating and plussing all the time I've spent in these different platforms, it's going to like 8 hours or 7 hours. Like 7 hours of my day is being spent in scrolling away my time, scrolling away my destiny, scrolling away my progress, because I call it that. If I was being productive in my life, I won't be having all the time to be scrolling away and looking at from one day. You might just have it in your mind that, oh, I want to spend just 30 minutes turns to 1 hour, 1 hour turns to 2 hours, because you're scrolling away. Because I used to have this thing that, oh, let me just go on Instagram to check, and I'm looking, what do I do? And then you go on top of Instagram and you're seeing one gossip, you're seeing one this, you're seeing one that, you're seeing the other one, and you kept scrolling, forgetting what even brought you to the Instagram. Before you realize it, you've spent hours. Detoxify your following. Detoxify your following. If you know that you cannot control the urge to go on social media to scroll away your time, girl, delete those platforms. Delete those platforms and ginger yourself, motivate yourself to get your life back in your hands. One thing about social media is when you go on social media, you tend to look at other people's life, forgetting about your own life, forgetting about your own problems. It feels like alcohol. When you drink alcohol, you forget your own problems. You just enjoy the whole drowsiness that it's making you feel. You're forgetting your own problem. You're forgetting that you have a problem that you need to fix. You have a life that you need to fix. You keep scrolling away your time. You keep just being entertained by other people's life. You just lay down there. It was too much. I had to take back my life. So this is my advice to you. Control your social media consumption. Do not go on social media if you've not had your day sorted out, and please try to make sure you finish what you've done in the day before you start consuming social media, and also no social media before bedtime. See, this thing I'm telling you is not as easy as I'm saying it. It's a struggle, but trust me, you can do it if you put your mind to do it. If you say that is what you want to do, you will definitely be able to do it, because it was a struggle. I've been off social media for a while now, and I'm not missing anything. I don't feel the need to even go back. You understand? Try to have time away from your phone. It is not helping matter if you want to destroy that lazy girl syndrome, because the more time you are away from your phone, there are other things you need to do to while away time. The time you spend on your phone will now be, you will now be looking at yourself, what do I do? What am I supposed to be doing like this? you don't have what to be doing, the next thing you're feeling like, okay, you have to think now what you would do that will make your life productive, what productive thing you will do to make your life move forward. And then the last but not the least is this Sunday reset. Like, you guys, I watched a video of a YouTuber that made a video like this that I'm saying, but I must tell you, I'm coming to tell you my own experience. Having a Sunday reset is the goal. Like, on Sunday in the evening, you just write down your goals for the week. Like, oh, I'll be going to do this on Monday, I'll be doing this on Tuesday, on Wednesday I'll be doing this, on Thursday I'll be doing this. Just get your life organized back. That is how to get your life back. Get out of that lazy girl era, lazy girl corner. Get out of it. It is not helping matter. The enemy doesn't want you to become anything, so he is keeping you bound in that lazy girl corner. Have a Sunday reset, complete Sunday reset. Write down what you want to do and how you want to do it for the week. Let your days of the week be properly arranged. How you be doing, oh, on Monday I'll be doing this, on Tuesday I'll be doing this and this, Thursday I'll be doing this and this, Wednesday this, Friday. Just get your life well organized. But make sure to jot your schedule down. It is actually going to help you. Like me now, I have a book. I just write down things that I want to do. Write down, okay, videos I would like to create for the week. See, it's not been an easy decision, I must really tell you the truth. But if you want to unfuck your life, you have to do these things I have said. Just try. Let's just try here. Let's not cluster it to make you confused. The first one I'm saying is wake up early. The second one is pray to God to help you with this thing, because there is nothing that prayer cannot do. The third one is do what you need to do before going on social media. Time yourself on social media. Don't waste all your time on social media. And then the last but not the least one is have like a weekly reset, which should be happening on Sunday. I hope this video is helpful to any girl who has been feeling laid back, lazy, unmotivated. I hope you try to get your life back, just like I am trying to get my life back, because for the longest time, I don't know what has been going on with me, but these are the things that I am doing, that I've seen, that I'm seeing some sort of improvement, and I felt the need to come and tell you guys. Thank you so very much, girls, for watching my videos. If you're a guy watching my videos, I'm sorry because I feel ladies watch me more. Thank you so much for watching me. I hope you did enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments in the comment section. I really love to hear from you guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Turn on your bell notifications so that YouTube will inform you whenever I post a new video. I'll most definitely see you all in my next one. Vicky M signing out.